Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and welcome to day 4 of our Christmas DIY decorations. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful white snowflake that is made out of printing paper. And the best thing about it is you can either dangle it from the ceiling, or you can hang it on your Christmas tree. The choice is yours. So if you'd like to see how I did make this beautiful snowflake, keep on watching. So for this project, you'll need your printing paper. This is an A4 size. Your your glue stick, and a pair of scissors. So if you decide to do the dangling option, you'll need your fishing line. That's all. So we will start off by folding the paper. Like this. So we are going to cut off this part. Now fold your triangle. So this is what you should have, and then you start cutting from this side that is folded. So we are going to make slits until somewhere almost the edge of the paper. So after you're done, unfold your paper. And this is what you should have. So what you're going to do is you will glue. So what you're going to do is glue the innermost, and you'll glue it inside like this. So this is the first one. Now the next one, you're going to turn over your paper, and you're going to fold this one like this. Next, turn your paper and glue this part. Alternate again. And then the last one. So this is what you should have eventually. Now we're going to do this one more time. We need to have created 6 of this, and the next thing we're going to do, we are going to glue this onto each other from the tip like this. So you're going to join all 6 of them. So it's easy if you're doing in 3-3. So this is a first set of 3. We are going to do the same to the other set of 3. So this is the other set. We are going to take the first set and you're going to glue them at the center, right here. If you don't have a glue, you can also use a stapler. And this is how your final product should be. So you can dangle this on top of your ceiling, from your ceiling, or you can do a smaller version, this. So this, I created them from the waste paper that we were cutting, and this is the size that I had. And you can put this on your Christmas tree, or you can also dangle it from the ceiling. I had to glue the sides so that at least it will be firm. So when you raise it, these parts will not be loose. You can also do this with a stapler. For the dangling parts, you're going to glue your fish line to the snowflakes that you did. So I wanted to do different designs. So the first one will be this, where I joined 6 snowflakes, and I want to glue the fish line so that we could have all this dangling. So I'm going to estimate the length that I will need. So this, I think this will be enough. So I'm going to glue the fishnet using a glue gun onto the paper. Like this. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching the video. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until tomorrow, bye.